See you. I see you. I don't know.
I'm so sorry, guys, but he was snoring really good.